Hey everybody, I just started the truck up today, let it run a little bit, and I don't know if you can hear, there's a couple of valves ticking, it sounds like, and I'm not sure where they are on the engine that they're ticking, but should definitely take this apart and clean it all up, but that's a lot of work, and I'm not sure if I'm capable of doing that yet. But it's not ticking as loud as it has in the past. I put some of that special Lucas oil stuff in, that real thick goop, and it has quieted down a significant amount. I gotta put more. On a side note, I put more coolant in because I installed a heater for it, and those hoses are definitely hot. I'm not sure if I have them in the right direction or not, because I have top, top to top and bottom to bottom. So if anybody who's out there knows what the order should be, then please leave a comment, because I can't find anywhere where which hose should go to which. And that's the water pump, so I'm assuming that would be the delivering line coming from the heater coil, because the water pump is rotating towards the driver's side. So it should be delivering from here. It should be delivering from the top and traveling down, and then gravity feeding down. At least that's what I think. That's what makes sense to me, but I don't know much about the order of it. So if anybody knows, just let me know. I greatly appreciate it. Alright, see ya. Yeah, that's shut.